Here's Rifle Falls in Rifle, Colorado. Gorgeous. Not even a hard hike to get to it either, so definitely check it out.
Ah, that feels good. You see that bee nest up there?
No. Is there a way in?
Look. See that thing?
There's a bee nest. Oh. Yeah, we don't want to mess with that. That bee nest right up there.
Picture of it.
Right up there.
Hey, you see it?
Oh, yeah.
I saw bees coming in and out of it.
Wow, I've never seen a bee nest that close.
It's big. You better get out.
Oh, man. Yeah, we don't want to mess with them. I don't know.
There's gotta be a cave to walk in, please.
There is. There's caves up there.
Yes!
There's caves.
There's a couple.
Are both of them, are all of them, are any of them big
This is
enough?
behind Rifle Falls. There's some caves back here.
Are any of them big enough for us to walk through?
Yeah.
Cool.
This one. Oh, no.
You gonna squeeze in there?
Okay. Here we go. Well, where's my dad?
He'll come.
The message him.
Right here.
Oh!
Caves.
Let's go. Let's go on this one.
Whoa, you gonna go in there?
Yep. So many people.
There's
Ain't
no
scared.
light though.
Oh, but I can't see anything unless I turn this light on. Hold on. I don't know how to turn it on with the dog.
That's it.
Going in the cave.
Well, that's it, Dad.
Oh, it's pretty little.
There's more.
Yeah.
Let's go in another cave.
Okay, you want to go in another one?
There was a super small hole for
here,
a
too.
little more cave.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Slick rocks.
Slick.
Very slick rocks.
Very slick. And I'm holding the water. Just throw it up there. Jeez.
Whoa.
Whoa!
How
Dying.
big is it up there?
It's It's pretty big.
You're turning on a light?
Come on. There's actually something to this cave. There's actually something to this cave.
All right, I'm trying to get up there without hurting myself. I'm sliding.
Oh shit.
What?
I need a light up here. This doesn't stay on. Here, trade me.
Ooh.
Give me.
It's on.
This light.
It's already recording right now.
Oh, look how smooth it is.
We're in a cave. We're in a cave. We're in a cave. We're in a cave. We're in a cave.
Bitch. Whoa.
Oh!
Wow.
Ow, my shoulder.
I can't see. Help. Hey. Oh my God. Are you serious?
Whoa!
You're making me hold.
It's big up here.
Jeez.
Am I getting anything?
Be
Yeah,
careful.
the flash is on.
Be careful.
Be careful up here. There's rocks to hit your head on.
I'm at slipping. Jeez.
You coming?
Be careful.
I can't see.
Whoa, this cave's big. I don't know. I think
Hold on, I gotta put this camera down.
this is awesome.
Whoa.
I'm leaving my water there. Is that okay? I can't carry it through this cave. It's too slippery.
Is there a way out up there?
No,
Oh well, shit! I don't know if I want to go up there.
it's big up here though. There's like a whole open area up here.
Can't.
Be careful.
Careful, don't stand up there. Hit your head and shoulder.
Can I stand here?
Whoa!
You're standing.
Face that way. I can't. Can you get pictures? Whoa!
Do you think the cave's ending?
See,
Is
it's
this the end
big.
to the
Do
cave?
you need this camera on with the light?
I don't know.
Just don't stop recording.
It's not recording anything. I can't see nothing.
Ah, there's footsteps in here. Continue.
I think it's just all blurry. I can't.
There's dirt down in here. Philip's gonna be like, where'd they go?
I wanted
I
to
don't know what I'm getting here. Wait!
I
You're way the hell back there.
told you it's big in here.
Am I even getting any pictures?
Whoa.
It's down this way. Hold on a
Dude, I'm
second.
not. Oh wait, I'm getting some.
Let me make sure that. Oh, dude, it keeps going.
What?
It keeps going.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, hold on.
Can we stop recording and just use it as a flashlight?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.